Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the challenge 3 lab 1. So first, let's see the instruction of the challenge 3. Retrieve the customer contact details. So we have three tasks. So the first task is to retrieve the customer contact names with the middle name if known. So you have been asked to write a query that returns a list of the customer name, and the list must consist of single field in the format, first name, last name, like this one. And then if the middle name is unknown, then first name, middle name, and last name if the middle name is known. So that's challenge 3 task 1. So I will copy this into my query, and then after that I'm going to select, after that Control K to make it comment. So wait. Okay. So go to query. After that, in the edit, in the advanced, then make it comment selection. Control capital K. Okay. Yeah. So you will need the 3 columns. Yeah. The first name, last name, and then a middle name. So if the middle name is known, then we're going to add the middle name, or this one. First name, middle name, last name, if the middle name is known. So in that case, then I'm going to write the query first. Construct the select. After that, this from the customer. So I go back to the customer table. Customer, here. And then first name, last name, and the middle name. So middle name, first name, and then after that comma, middle name. Okay, and then after that comma, last name. Okay, let's see to run this command from this. Let's see the output first when you run as a normal. So here, some of the middle name are null, and then some has L, J, A, E. Okay, so some is null. So you have to use the is null function. So you put the is null. So uppercase or lowercase is doesn't matter. If it is null, then you want to replace with the empty space, comma. If it is null, then after that middle name, and then after that last empty space. Okay, then if it is not, then nothing. So this is a single space because we want to include the middle name if it is not null. But if it is null, then you don't put or you don't want to print anything. Just without anything. This is the empty space. Okay, and then after that you want to call that as a customer name. So as customer name, and then basically you want to construct this customer name is a single word. First name, last name, then you're going to separate this with one space like this. And then between the middle name and last name, you're also going to separate with the single space like this. Okay, so let's run. Okay, so beautiful. Now first name, middle name, and last name will be combined into single name. If the middle name is empty, there will be just the first name and last name. But if it is not empty, then there will be a middle name in the middle. Okay, so maybe this one is no need, because it already has this one. In case there is nothing, then you don't need this empty space between the middle name and last name. Okay, this one is nicer. Okay, then challenge 3 task 2. Let's go back here. Retrieve the primary contact detail. Customer may provide efficient works with the email address, phone number, or both. If the email address is available, then it should be used as a primary contact, the first email, and if not, then use the phone number. you must write the query that returns a list of the customer ID in the column. Then second column is a primary contact. That should be the email address if known. If not, then a phone number. Okay. So this is the challenge 3 task 2. Okay, so we put here in the just manual like this. Okay, so your task here is to select two columns, the primary, the contact, the email address, and also the phone number. Okay, so in that case, then you're going to select, and then after that, first is a customer ID. Okay, and then after that, comma, you have the email address and phone. Okay, then after that, comma, phone. But we want to look for the email address first. This is the priority. If this is available, then you will use that. If not, then you try to use a phone. And then as a primary contact. So the function to check whether the email address is null or not, and then to use that is a coalesce. So coalesce is basically check. If the email address is null, then don't use phone. If the email address is not null, then we use that. Okay, like this. From the sales LT customer. Like this. Okay, so run. So you see here, if the email address is available, they will be using this. If it is not, using the telephone number. Okay, so that's the solution for this task 2. Okay, now we move to the task 3. Task 3 is basically to retrieve the shipping status. So the requirement is to create a query that returns a list of the sales order ID and the order date with a column name shipping status that contain the text ship for the orders with a known ship date, and then awaiting shipment for the orders with the no ship date. Okay, so there is some important notes here. Okay, this is to make sure that you have the empty or the null ship date null value. So you run this command. Okay, so let's bring this to the management studio in the query. So this is task 3. Okay, so you need to run this command to make sure that you have the row with the null ship date. Okay, so I run this. The semicolon you don't need. So this one, okay, then after that I just run this one. So I have the one sales order ID, the sales order ID greater than this will have the ship date now. Okay, so here you need to include the column. The first is the sales order ID, and then the order date. Okay, sales order ID and the order date. Okay, so I construct the query. This one is from the sales order header. So I will expand the sales order header table. So select the column is sales order ID. This one, and then after that, comma the order date. Based on this, sales order ID then order date. So the order date. Okay, so this is the column. Then we're going to check whether the order date is null or not. If it is null, then you're going to change with awaiting shipment. If it is not null, then you're going to change with create a column with the content ship. Okay, so in that case, then we're going to use the case and when. So you put the condition case and then when ship date is null, yeah, then want to create the output awaiting shipment, and then else you want to display ship, yeah, and then this must be consistent, and then n, yeah, so case n. That you keep the column name, yeah, as shipping status, and then from the sales order header, this, okay, yeah, then run the command, no need to update again, yeah. Okay, so there is an error in the case, yeah. So here I missed the comma here. Okay, so I run again. Yeah, so you see here, so for the order with the high number, yeah, greater than this just now 71899, yeah, then the status is awaiting for the shipment, yeah. Okay, so this is the solution. Thanks for watching.